I thought today's video would be kind of fun. We're going to be taking a look at this ValueMax Transfer Pump. The pump is made by ValueMax, and they did reach out to me and asked if I would take a look at it. We have done reviews similar to pumps like this in the past, but what really caught my attention, and really the only reason I agreed to do the video, was the spout. The spout has a handle on the back that allows you to control the flow. In other designs, there's usually a switch on the top of the pump. I thought this would be rather convenient, and it looked like the pump was a little bit of a different design than what we're used to. A lot of these pumps operate on D-size batteries, but this particular one operates on AA batteries. It takes 6 of them, and there are 2 battery holders, as you can see. These battery holders do slip inside the handle, and pretty much what you see here is what's included in the package. Installing the AA batteries into their holders is very straightforward, and then you just put them into the top of the handle, just like this. And now it's just a matter of screwing the handle onto the top of the pump. And the last step is attaching the nozzle to the hose coming off the end of the pump, and they just kind of snap together, just like this. And then they provide a hose clamp, of which has a key on top, and you can just turn it until it's nice and snug. And now you're ready to use the pump. Looking at the pump, you can see there's a little bit of thought in the design. There is a hook up here where you can hang the pump. There's also a loop down here on the handle, and that is, I believe, so you can hang the pump handle. So if you have this sitting inside a bucket or inside a gas tank, you have a place to hang this pump so it doesn't lay on the ground and get dirty. Overall feel is okay. It is plastic, but it feels okay. It does have a handle that you can squeeze to turn it on and off. And if you want to leave the pump on for an extended period of time, you can pull the handle down and put this little lock on, and it'll hold the handle down for you. But the question in everybody's mind is, how well does it work? I think a quick and fair test would be to transfer some kerosene from this container into this jug. The jug is marked, and right at this line is exactly 1 gallon. I'm going to go ahead and turn the pump on. There's a master switch at the top here. And as you can hear, the pump is running, but there's no fuel coming out of the spout because I have not pressed down on the handle. Once I press on the handle, it's going to come out. Let's go ahead and put 1 gallon in this jug, and we'll see how long that takes. And that is 1 gallon, and I've let off the handle, and as you can see, it has stopped pumping. We're going to go ahead and turn the pump off. And again, because we have this little ring or this little hook on the bottom of the pump, we can hang the spout there, and that'll keep it from laying on, in this case, the workbench, or maybe even the dirt outside. And in case you're wondering, the pickup tube is just a little bit over 15 inches. The total length of the filler hose is right around 34 inches. So what are my final thoughts of the pump? Well, I think it's great. I like the idea that I can turn on and off the pump from the handle. Minus the nozzle and the handle design, the rest of the pump seems to be designed like most of these transfer pumps, so I assume it's going to be okay. If for any reason I find a problem with this pump, I will put it in a pinned comment down below. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.